I was ghosted. It all started with a message. I met Emma online, and we quickly became good friends. We talked every day. At first, it was small things like, "What's your favorite movie?" or "Do you like pizza?" But soon, our conversations became longer and deeper. We talked about our dreams, our families, and even our secrets. I felt like I finally found someone who understood me. One day, Emma asked, "Do you want to meet in person?" I was nervous, but excited. We had been chatting for 2 months, and I thought meeting her would make our friendship stronger. I said yes, and we made plans to meet at a small cafe near my house. The day finally came. I remember standing in front of the mirror, trying to decide what to wear. I wanted to look nice, but not too fancy. After 20 minutes, I chose a simple blue shirt and jeans. "This is it," I told myself as I left the house. The cafe was cozy, with wooden tables and the smell of fresh coffee in the air. I arrived 10 minutes early and found a table near the window. I ordered a coffee and waited. I couldn't stop checking my phone. Maybe she's running late, I thought. 10 minutes passed, then 20. I sent her a message. "Hey, are you on your way?" She didn't reply. I told myself not to worry. Maybe she was stuck in traffic or her phone battery died. An hour went by. The coffee in my cup was cold now. I checked my phone again. Still no message. My stomach started to feel strange. I looked around the cafe, hoping to see her walk through the door, but she didn't come. I tried calling her, but she didn't answer. That's when I started to realize what was happening. Emma wasn't coming. She had ghosted me. At first I felt confused. Why would she do this? I thought. We talked so much. She seemed so kind and funny. Did I do something wrong? I replayed our conversations in my head, looking for clues, but everything seemed normal. As I walked home, I felt a mix of emotions. I was sad, angry, and embarrassed. I couldn't understand why someone would just disappear without saying anything. If she didn't want to meet, she could have told me. A simple message would have been better than silence. For the next few days, I kept checking my phone, hoping for an explanation. But there was nothing. It was like Emma had vanished. I even sent one last message. I hope you're okay. But she never replied. It hurt to be ghosted. I felt invisible, like I didn't matter. I stopped talking to new people online for a while because I didn't want to be hurt again. Over time, though, I started to feel better. I realized that being ghosted wasn't my fault. Sometimes people leave, not because of who we are, but because of their own problems. Maybe Emma wasn't ready to meet, or maybe she had her own reasons for disappearing. I'll never know, and that's okay. Now I'm more careful with my friendships. I take things slow and try to find people who truly value me. Being ghosted was painful, but it taught me an important lesson. The right people will stay, and the wrong ones will leave. And that's how life is. Even though being ghosted was hard, it made me stronger. I know my worth, and I won't let anyone make me feel invisible again.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.